So today we have a 2011 Tundra here for a rear brake job, and it ended up having an axle seal leak. So to remove the axle shaft, the factory recommends to disconnect the brake hose, which would mean rebleeding the system here, and removing the parking brake shoe assemblies and disconnecting the parking brake cable. What I elected to do instead was the brake hose bracket is notched, so just open the notch and then the brake line will come out, so you don't have to open the system. Disconnect the lower shock mount bolt and the 3 parking brake cable retaining bolts here, here, and here, and leave the cable attached, and the parking brake and backing plate assembly can come off like so. Pull the axle out, replace the axle seal, and then reassemble. Anytime you do a seal like this, you want to make sure the vent is free. So I'm going to double check the vent before we let this thing leave. So that's my tip. Hopefully it saves a little bit of time. I think it's a little easier, and of course I'm going to clean up the parking brake shoes because they got a little bit of gear oil on them. Thanks for watching.